Hello everyone! Do you send hundreds or thousands of emails every day for your business or affiliate marketing? But sending each email manually, that wastes a lot of time, and your reach isn't great either. Today I'm going to show you a powerful software, True Email Sender. Its powerful features, how to send bulk messages, Gmail SMTP. For a successful campaign, watch till the end. Let's get started. First, let's understand what makes True Email Sender special. Once you install this software, here are the powerful features: bulk email sending, HTML annotation, email validator, and auto follow-up. Now let's create a bulk email campaign. Click on Cans and select Create Campaign. Enter the campaign name and email subject. Select your audience and sending account. Once everything is ready, click Start Campaign. Manual work required. First, enable two-step verification in your Google account. Then, generate an app password. Now enter these details into True Email Sender to connect. Visit console.cloud.google.com. Library, then search and enable Gmail API. Next, configure the OAuth consent screen. Connect. And that's how easy it is to use True Email Sender. True Email Sender can save you time while helping you reach more customers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.